Hello friends, welcome to our channel Programmer. In this video, we're going to see about first let's see how to print something. Print is a keyword, one of the keyword in Python. They have many words like this. If print, you need to write small p or RINT. If you use capital P, it will not give an output. So print small p and RISNT and double bar and single quotation and type hello world. You can give double quotation also. If you use double quotation one side, another side also you need to use double quotation. If you change that, means you will not get output, it will be error. So use any one of that. If you need to type an paragraph, you need to give three quotes and you need to give an paragraph. And next let's see assignment. Variable assignment is nothing but if you have a box, a variable name of a, and it has a integer 5. If you take a box, it also have that value 5. So it's known as variable assignment. A is an variable and 5 is an integer of that variable. And then a equal to high in a code, inside the code, it means it named as a string. If you give any letters inside the code, it will named as a string. And then if you give b is equal to 5, it is an integer. If you give any value, it is named as an integer. And print a comma b, you will get the output hi-fi. If you not given comma, it will be a error. So use that a comma b and then the output will be hi-fi. So next, a is equal to 3, print a means you will get that output 3. And assign variable, a is equal to 20, and we can assign for many variable for one integer. B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 19, and you can assign this type also. If you give a comma y comma z equal to double quotation orange, banana and cherry, for x you will get an output orange. In variable you will have many letters also, but you will not use an integer in front of variable, it will be an error. So use that first variable in letters, and then you need to use an integer. Variable first should not be an number. Okay, so use first variable as a letter. Next, a is equal to 20. In this small a, we already assigned that 3. So here we run that program. X, Y, Z means orange, banana and cherry. If you can also use print inside bracket and X, Y, Z, it will come orange, banana and cherry. And then next we see, we already assigned that, no, so Next, there is a case sensitive, nothing but there are small a and capital A is different, so it's not will be the same. So you need to give small a is equal to 20 we give, so the value is 20. Next, you can give letters also, not number only, we can give letters also. X is equal to saloon, so we get an output saloon. Next, print here her name is and X comma but, and we get an output her name is $60 but. Next, both born below or same. We can use comma or plus also. In Java we can use plus, but in Python we can use the double also, that plus symbol or comma. And next program, x is equal to Python is y is equal to 100 and z is equal to x plus y, and print is that you will get an output Python is 100. Next, a is equal to 1, we need to find the type, means give type under bracket a. Next, 1.0 is an type of float, and you give quotes inside a letter, it is a string. If you give any letters, it will come as a string. Next, a is equal to 10, print value of a is comma a star 10, you will get the value of a is 100. A is multiplied with a and the answer will become as 100. 10 into 10, 100. Okay, please subscribe our channel for more important videos. Thank you for watching and